Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video I am going to provide you information regarding to the BSc Agriculture course. So guys, in this video I am also going to provide you what are the best jobs are present in both the private as well as in government sectors. Eligibility criteria for this course, either PCMB or PCB. So guys, if you belongs to either mass background or bio background, you may eligible for this course. Basically the fee structure vary to university wise, and if you are taking a seat in private institution there might be certainly differ, the fees structure may be differ, but in an average all universities offer like 52,000 to 1 lakh per annum, or otherwise you may have like a 50,000 per semester also. So basically this course consists of 8 semesters. So what is the entrance test are available for this course? So basically it consists ICR is just providing a seat 50% seat in national wide. So MSET to the Andhra Pradesh people, and PAU entrance for the Punjab people, KEM is for the Kerala people to enter this agriculture colleges to the government colleges basically. So guys, basically BSc agriculture subjects are plant biochemistry, fundamentals of information technology, applied mathematics, principles of analytic chemistry, principle of environmental sciences, introduction to computer applications, educational psychology, and production economics, and also farm management, agriculture marketing, trade and price, sericulture, crop pest and their management, principles of plant biotechnology, breeding of field, and also horticulture crops, irrigation, water management. So we will study all these subjects in BSc level. So guys, basically after completion of BSc, so which is an UGC level, you can also go through that in PG courses like MSc agriculture, or you can also go through like MSc horticulture, which is very prestigious to the agriculture candidates or students. So who graduates in BSc in agriculture, they mostly chooses like a PG course like this MSc in agriculture. So in agriculture there are many courses. I will tell you what are the courses are available in agriculture course. So you can also go through like horticulture course, MSc in forestry, and also MSc in genetics and plant breeding, or you can also go through agronomy. So this is the PG courses which are available in right now. So if you are not interested in MSc, then you can also go through like MBA, MMS or PG, DMS programs through entrances. So after completion of MSc course or a program, you can also apply to the PhD. So you can do PhD. So guys, you might have a doubt after completion of BSc whether you will get a job or not. So don't worry guys, after BSc you will get many jobs regarding to agriculture field. So there like agricultural department, extension services, and also like research organizations and commercial farming, or some of the sectors which are graduate of this field can find opportunities. So you may also apply to the government sectors. I will tell you what are the jobs are present in both private as well as in government sector. So guys, basically job opportunities which are present in front of graduates. So graduates who are just completed their BSc, so we can say they are graduates. So they have like a research officer, and you can also go through like qualitative ensure officer, agriculture officer, as well as agriculture loan officer also in banks mostly. So production manager and operation manager, farm manager, you can also go through like agriculture lecturer, and you can also go through that a management executive. So these are the posts which are very prestigious to an agriculture graduate. So friends, after the completion of your graduation, you may also get a chance to be a government servant, like Indian Agriculture Research Institute also provides many jobs, and National Seed Corporation Limited also provide a job to a graduate. A State Farm Corporation of India also provide, a Food Corporation of India also provide, National Dairy Development Board also provide a job to a graduate. So all regarding to Indian Counseling of Agriculture Research and Counseling of Scientific and Industrial Research. So all these government sectors will provide you a job to a graduate guys. So don't be upset with your course. So it's a very best course to choose. If you want to talk about a private jobs, then I will also discuss you about a private jobs how. So guys, if you are interested to go through like in private sector, then you have many opportunities like this. You can also go through like agro industries or agriculture marketing, and you can also do financial sector. So you can also like fertilizer companies you can also work, or you can also work like agri biotechnology biotech organizations. So guys, this is all regarding to information regarding to BSc agriculture course. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and do share, and please do subscribe guys.